Today, I'm making a jalapeno burger topped with a perfectly fried egg. Weigh out 8 ounces of ground beef. Add some garlic, salt, and pepper, and mix it together. Then flatten it out into a patty. I've been making my own jalapenos because I've noticed some of the store-bought have some unhealthy ingredients in them. Now just take some of the jalapenos and put them right in the center of the burger. Then fold the edges in and press together to seal. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to see upcoming videos like how I make my jalapenos. Cook the pasta as directed on the package. Now drizzle with some avocado oil and toss. Add some pepper, some salt, some garlic, and cheese. Then mix that all together. Then set it aside. Put the burger in a preheated pan. Cook for about 3 minutes. Flip the burger and cook for another minute or 2. Top with a few jalapenos. A slice of cheese, and cook long enough for the cheese to melt. Put some avocado oil in the pan, add an egg, and season with salt and pepper. And then cover it. Once it's hot, add a few tablespoons of water. Cover and cook for about a minute. Now top the burger with the egg. Add some pasta to the dish and serve. Thanks for watching.